Ratios are such a powerful concept that they are used in almost every walk of life to convey important relationships. We use many of them frequently without even realizing that they are ratios. Let us understand how ratios are used in everyday life. Health. Good health is an asset. One has to eat a balanced diet and take exercise regularly. An idea of physical fitness is estimated by BMI, body mass index. It is the ratio of the weight of a person in kilograms to the square of his or her height in meters. Usually this ratio is known just by the numerical value. BMI is a reliable indicator to assess a person's health risk associated with obesity and overweight. Science and technology. Speeds of supersonic jets are expressed by its Mach number. The Mach number is the ratio of the speed of the aircraft to the speed of sound. Mach number equals the ratio of two velocities, Mach 1 being equal to the speed of sound. Flight that is faster than Mach 1 is supersonic. Supersonic includes speeds up to 5 times faster than the speed of sound, that is Mach 5. An airplane called the Concorde was the most notable passenger airplane to travel at supersonic speeds, more than twice the speed of sound. The Archimedes principle. Density is one of the fundamental scientific principles of life. It is the ratio of the mass of an object and its volume. Scaling. The scale of a map is the ratio of a distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground earth. We can use ratios to scale drawings up or down by multiplying or dividing. As per the flag code of India, the national flag shall be rectangular in shape. The ratio of the length to the height, that is width of the flag, shall be 3:2. So, for every 3, whatever unit of length, there should be 2 height, that is width. Miniature scale models of large buildings, ships and aircraft are built to test their stability and safety in the laboratory before being built on full scale. Construction sector. Cement concrete is a significant component in the construction of residential and commercial buildings. Every structure you see is the product of a precise ratio and amount of cement and sand. For example, 1:2 ratio of cement and sand for concrete work. Commerce. Apart from unit price, the percentages we use to express many ideas themselves are ratios. Percentage is a number expressed as a ratio in relation to 100. So, if a person saves 30% while shopping, it means rupees 30 out of every rupees 100. Taxes like sales tax and income tax are expressed as percentages. For example, this year budget the government declared 18% GST, goods and service tax, on the ice cream whether it is sold inside the restaurant or outside. Economy. Economic data of various countries are expressed as ratios irrespective of the relative sizes of the economies. As per World Economy Ranking 2023, the economy of India is the sixth largest economy in the world with a GDP growth rate of 8.9%. Geometry. As you know, the famous number pi was discovered to be the special ratio, circumference of any circle to its diameter. The circumference divided by the diameter of a circle is always pi, no matter how large or small the circle is. The similarity of two plane figures was seen as the result of the ratio of their sides being equal. For example, similar triangles can be of different sizes, so the lengths of the corresponding sides are not necessarily the same, but the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal. For instance, the ratios of corresponding sides of two triangles are 6 by 3, 8 by 4, 10 by 5. These all reduce to 2 by 1, that is 2 to 1. We see similarity all around us. Similar leaves, similar pyramids, similar circles and so many. Beauty and aesthetics. The ideas of similarity were extended to beauty of paintings, sculpture and the human body itself. Certain ratios between parts of the body were considered more beautiful than others. It is said, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What we consider to be beautiful in nature, art or music often differs, but there seem to be some commonalities in how we as human beings see beauty. What does math have to do with it? Can you give a number to beauty? Yes, it is roughly 1.618 and called the golden ratio. It is a mathematical symmetry algorithm that underlies our perception of attractiveness. A ratio of line segments when a line is divided into two parts A and B such that the ratio of A to B is the same as the ratio of A plus B to A. This ratio is called the golden ratio and is signified by the Greek letter phi. Its mathematical value is 1.61803398. For general purposes, the value is assumed to be 1.618. A visually balanced face is approximately 1.618 times longer than it is wide. Facial features that exhibit a precise golden ratio are deemed to be highly attractive and regarded as extremely beautiful. Thanks to the latest advancements in facial aesthetic treatments, today it is possible to restore your features closer to the golden ratio and rejuvenate them. The golden ratio is not just observed in humans, but it is actually used in architecture and artwork as well. It also occurs in nature in the patterns we see in sunflowers, pine cones, seashells and other plants and animals. For instance, dolphins, its length to breadth of eyes, fins as well as tail section features make them notable. Golden ratio is one of the most common mathematical ratios in nature. Recipes. We also use ratios in cooking. For example, the coffee to water ratio. Brew strength. If your coffee tastes bitter, it is over extracted, while if it's too sour, it means under extraction. The amount of coffee to the amount of water makes the difference. A broad standard 1 to 17 ratio offers an optimum flavor, that is, for every 1 gram of coffee, use 17 ml of water. With a ratio, we can scale the recipe as big or small as needed and still get the same flavor results. By the way, are you watching this video on a mobile device or TV monitor? Do you know the screen size has a certain ratio, aspect ratio. It is the relationship between the width of a video image compared to its height. It is usually expressed as width to height, such as 16 to 9 or 1 to 1. The aspect ratio sets how it will fit on your viewing screen. Typical examples of social media platform. Hope you are inspired to explore further and list out many such examples. I will be back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.